data types. Keeping proper data type for column is very important. If you're not keeping proper data type, then you'll get unexpected results. Unexpected results. These are the data types supported by Power BI. Okay, decimal number, fixed decimal number, whole number, percentage, like that. 12 data types it is going to support it. If you are not providing proper data type, then it is going to give the unexpected result. Let us try to observe here. My business question is, I want to calculate here department name wise salary is how much. Department name wise salary is how much. Then I am trying to go here DEPT. Then I am selecting the DNAME column. Then I am going to the EMP table. I am trying to select here total salary column. I am selecting. Now, unfortunately, I am not getting what I am expecting exactly. If you carefully observe, I have the accounting. What is the total amount I have to pay for the accounting? We got the detailed records. We got it. Auto aggregation is not happened. Auto aggregation is not happened. Why auto aggregation is not happened? Total salary. If you go and try to observe the data type, total salary. If you go and try to observe the data type is showing as test is the data type. As the test is the data type, sum is not applicable by default. By default, it is trying to do the summarization rule as do not summarize. It is doing. We want to see the instead of four records, instead of these are four records, I want to see as one record. These all 1000, 1300, 2450, 5000. I want to sum up. Then I want to see the record. I want to see it. Okay, if I sum up these all things, you are going to get how much? 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. That is totally how much? 9. 9, 4, 9, 7, 9, 750. 9750 we are going to get it. I want to see accounting 9750. I want to see it. But that is not happening because of we know total salary is not a test data type. But somehow total salary is a test data type like that system is identifying. If system wrongly identify any one column, then you have to go ahead and you have to modify that one. How we can modify is go back to our Power Query window. We already have the Power Query window. This is our Power Query window. In this Power Query window, we have the total salary column we calculated. Select our total salary column. Now ABC123 it is showing. ABC123 is nothing but we can say as it is a test. Okay, or we can say generic word alphanumeric, we can say it, but alphanumeric is only oral word. System wise it says as test only, it is going to tell it. Now ABC123 it is identified that we have to change as a number, we have to change it. To do that one, select this column whatever available, right click. There is an option called as change the data type. We have these are the different data types which are available. Now we want to put that as a whole number. Whole number. We are trying to able to see this as a whole number. 1, 2, 3. We are able to see it. Once you change it this one, then go ahead and try to apply. We are trying to apply here. That means whatever change we did it, that change will be reflected to the front end. If it is reflected to the front end, that is Power BI desktop. If we go to the Power BI desktop window, now observe here this total salary. Now what is the data type it is showing now? Total salary. What is the data type it is showing now? It is a whole number. And what is the summarization rule is showing here? Sum. But before you do this change, already you developed this report. That is the reason this is not reflecting into the report. In order to reflect into the report, remove this column from this table. Removing means here you have to click on this into mark. We removed it. Then again, drag and drop this total salary here. If you drag and drop this total salary, now we are able to see 9750. 9750. That means aggregation is now it is started because it's identified as a whole number. Whole number. As a whole number, automatically aggregation rule went. That is called as sum is the aggregation rule. So keeping proper data type for a column is a mandatory. If you are not keeping proper data type for the column, it is going to give the unexpected result. Previously, we are expecting accounting all as one record, but we got 4 records, we got it. That kind of problems, consequences, are going to get it. Okay, so you have to keep proper data type, you have to keep it. These are the data types which are available. These are the data types which are available. Please try to practice it.